Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use clone tool in GIMP. So there is one really simple method that I recommend you to use. First we need to click right mouse button on this one icon and then we need to select clone. Of course you can use shortcut from your keyboard by clicking C, and then you can increase size, aspect ratio and other settings of this effect. So I will increase here size maybe to 40 or something like that. And then we need to press and hold Ctrl somewhere where we want to copy area. So for example, I will click here and now we can use left mouse button to clone this area. So it will be looks something like that. How you can see, we can add here another mountain if you want. So for example, I will add something like that. It will look really great and this effect may be really useful for you in your projects. So how you see, it is really simple. But of course you should test how it works. Okay, so I will draw here maybe something like that. And like you see, it works really perfect. So it's all for today. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.